Welcome back, guys, to another episode. So we have been working on this 1965 Shelby Cobra all week, and this is literally one of the coolest projects we have ever done. So we did a full paint correction, topped it off with Ceramic Pro, 2 layers of 9H, 1 layer of top coat, and we went ahead and polished the wheels as well, coated those. So we're about to have the video. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel below, and I'm Ryan with JR Express Detailing, protecting the world one coating at a time.